Anong outlook natin for the FOI sa Senate?
Well, I hope that the bigger house will march with the same pace and consider this as a priority measure. Of course, this is without prejudice to additional clarificatory questions which some of the senators may want to ask. But this is a good day for transparency. This will radically and prospectively change the bureaucratic landscape. And I think the Pogi Bill is on its way to making an impact on our democracy and our society.
Muntik na mabago yung pangalan. Yun ang Pogi.
Which, with your vigil, allowed us to stand fast and follow the spirit of law, which is for the people, by the people, and of the people.
Can we have it passed in third reading before Christmas? What's our...
Well, no, I think so. Yes, procedural na after second reading. And we'll try to, with your support, fast track it in the same manner.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.